If you're an insurance agent looking to place coverage for sports and recreation accounts such as teams and leagues and sports camps, you're in the right place. My name is John Sadler and I'm president of Sadler Sports and Recreation Insurance. I developed the first real-time online quote engine and policy issuance system for insurance agents in this niche. Our agent force has used our online system to quickly and easily issue coverage for thousands of accounts. We work with agents just like you every day. Agents who visit our website have questions like, what types of policies do my clients really need? How do I answer their questions about waiver forms, criminal background checks, and risk management programs? How do I know that I'm providing my client with broad coverages for a competitive price? How can I handle these small transactions quickly and easily with the minimum amount of hassle so that I don't lose money on the transaction? Most insurance agents who write sports and recreation accounts do so as an accommodation for an existing personal lines or commercial lines account where the key contact happens to become the league president for a 3-year tour of duty. Since most of these transactions range anywhere from $300 to $2,500 in premium size, you just want to move it off your desk as soon as possible, and you want to make sure that you're not involved in an E&O situation due to slow response time on quoting or binding or for inadequate coverage. Typically, when working with our competitors, agents often complain that it takes days of phone and email tag to get a quote, and then it can take up to a week to get the proof of coverage certificates. In the meantime, the client is screaming that he needs the certificates to get on the field. Our online quote system allows agents to get quotes and proposals for teams and leagues in less than 2 minutes and allows for binding, payment, and printing of proof of insurance documents in under 15 minutes. This puts you in control and allows you to be deadly efficient and actually make a profit on these small transactions. We offer all the policies that your sports and recreation client will typically need, including accident, general liability, directors and officers liability, crime, and equipment. Our prices and coverage are very competitive in the marketplace. For teams and leagues, we offer non-owned and hired auto liability and a $100,000 defense-only limit for sex abuse and molestation. The risk management section of our website includes a number of articles, forums, and risk management programs that are volunteer-friendly. Of particular importance is our report entitled How to Avoid the 7 Deadly Sins When Buying Sports Insurance. This report is perfect for handing out to your clients as it explains what policies are needed and why, as well as how they can be sure that they're getting broad coverage for a competitive price. In addition, it reveals common, dangerous coverage pitfalls that must be avoided. In addition, we have almost all the typical participant registration forms that are needed, such as waiver release, emergency information and medical consent, and image release. We also have a child abuse molestation protection program and an overall risk management program for sports organizations that can be easily adapted for any sports and recreation organization. We have a number of informative articles on topics such as why waiver release forms are worth the paper they're written on, lightning safety rules, and how to compare criminal background check vendors, just to name a few. In other words, our risk management materials will make you an expert in the eyes of your clients should they have any questions. And my staff and I are always here to support you if one of your clients has a difficult question or problem in his sports organization that requires expert advice. In order to get started with a quote, you simply identify the appropriate link for team, league, sports camp, tournament, or whatever, and click on it, and you will be directed to the appropriate page where you can click on the Get Quote icon or the Apply for Coverage icon. We appreciate your consideration.